Okay guys, I just used the kit and that's the before side and that's the after side. Trying to make sure you don't see my license plate, but before and after. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see it was like very yellow and just gross. And this is what it looks like afterward. I can definitely see, first of all, a huge improvement, so I'm really happy. There are some areas where I could have sanded more intensively and longer, so you know, if I look really close I'm like, oh, I should have done that better, but for the most part I am so happy with this kit. Yeah, it just looks really good to me, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to do the other side so I have it all out, and the sanding makes all the difference in the world. And I did use like 2-wipe kit before and it did nothing, so this was what I needed. The sanding and whatever was going on over here, it has what you need in the kit, it's sufficient. And then for watering, I used a watering can. That was the most convenient for me. And the one tip I want to give everyone is it does have this like more intensive and less intensive, like it has the 2000 and the 3000. So I did the 2000 and then I moved over to the 3000, and there were still some spots that I could tell needed more work, so I went back to the 2000 and did another like 15 minutes of sanding with that, and then went back to the 3. So don't be afraid to like jump back if you think you need a little more time with that, if you have like the more intensive damage or whatever you would call it that I had. You just, you know, hop back and forth if you think you need to, and also be really patient. I put on music, like I had my headphones going so I could just like play songs. I switched hands and stuff. It does take a lot of elbow grease to get stuff out if you have the problems, instead of it just being lightly foggy if you have little problem spots. It does work, but you have to put in the muscle. And it doesn't take a lot of muscle, but you just have to keep going with it. So it's okay if you need to take like a break or take a snack or something, but put in the effort because it really pays off. I'm so happy with my before and after. It's kind of dramatic and really fun, and I can't wait to get the other side done. So I would highly recommend this for anyone with like really gross looking headlights.